Hello students, welcome all. Today students we are going to continue with our chapter number 3, political parties. So students, in the previous part we had seen about the national parties. We have also learned that what are being termed as a national party, what are the criteria for the national parties, and what are the criteria for the regional parties. We have seen few of the national parties, that was Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, and Communist Party of India Marxism Bahujan Samaj Party. Students, today will start with the Nationalist Congress Party. In 1999, there was a split in the Indian National Congress Party and Nationalist Congress Party was being established in the year 1999. The party believes in the value of democracy, equality, and secularism. The party was in the power of Maharashtra from 1999 to 2014 in coalition with the Congress Party. Nationalist Congress Party for a long period of time was also a part of the coalition government led by Congress at Central from 2004 to 2014. Now student over here, National Congress Party जिसको हम NCP भी कहते हैं, and the logo for it is a watch घड़ी which you can see on the screen. Okay, so NCP was being formed in the year 1999. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, वहाँ पे आइडियोलॉजीज जो थी वो डिफरेंट थी. तो इसी तरीके से जो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस है, वी आर हैविंग INC that got split because of the ideologies and it formed two parties. Another party was being formed, that was Nationalist Congress Party, and it believed in the value of democracy, equality and secularism. और वो पावर में भी आई थी, वो महाराष्ट्र की पावर, it came into the party, it was being formed in महाराष्ट्र 1999 से लेकर 2014 तक, और उसने कोलिशन किया था. कोलिशन आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन अर्लियर. Coalition is what means two parties, 2-3 parties are coming together and forming the majority and ruling, that is coalition. Okay, so वो coalition भी बनी थी in the right from 1999 to 2014 तक. और ये जो था बीच में जो मेन सेंटर जो नेशनलिस्ट पार्टी, वो नेशनल कांग्रेस पार्टी थी, और इन्होंने दोनों ने हाथ मिलाया था. हाथ मिलाया ये इन द सेंस मेकिंग coalition, and then it came to power. Now we'll see the next party, that is Trinamool Congress Party. All India Trinamool Congress Party was established in the year 1998. Election Commission gave the party recognition as a national party in the year 2016. The party supports democracy, secularism and protection of interest of the weaker sections of the society. Now students over here, ये जो पार्टी थी तृणमूल कांग्रेस पार्टी, वो इस्टेब्लिश तो हो चुकी थी इन द ईयर 1998, लेकिन जैसे इलेक्शन कमीशन जो देते हैं रिकग्निशन, जैसे वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन द इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस, दैट द इलेक्शन कमीशन शुड गिव द recognition as a party, as a national party, and that it got in the year 2016. Here the Trinamool Congress, unlike others, they are working out for democracy and secularism, but one more point it is having is that it is working for the weaker section of the society. वो sections जो weak है, वो sections जो majority नहीं form कर सकती, उनको वो help करते हैं. Now students, we are going to see the number of seats secured by the national parties in the Lok Sabha election right from 2009 till 2014. So let's see the national parties, how much seat it had got in year 2009 and how much seat it got in the year 2014. तो ये हम अभी देखते हैं कि in the year 2009 and 2014 कौन कौन सी नेशनल पार्टीज़ को कितने कितने सीट्स मिली थी. We'll start with Indian National Congress. In 2009 it got 206. But in 2014 it declined and came till 44. Communist Party of India in 2009 it got 4 and then it came a decline till 1. Bharatiya Janata Party 116, but in 2014 it got 282, a drastic increase. कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्स 16 था और फिर लो डाउन हो जाके 2014 में 9 हो गया. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ बहुजन समाज पार्टी. In 2009 it was 21 and in 2014 it did not secure any seat. Then the next one is Nationalist Congress Party. In the year 2009 it was 9 and 2014 it is 6. Students, it cannot be seen, but since I am orally saying you, Nationalist Congress Party 2009 में उनकी 9 seats थी और 2014 में it is having 6 seats. If you want, you can check it from your textbook also, page number 85. So this is how, here we can see that most of the parties it have come to a decline in the year 2014. लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो थी वो डबल से भी ज़्यादा हो गई थी. In the year 2009 it was 116, but it drastically increased to 2014 as 282 seats. So here we get out a briefing about how many seats were being reserved or how much seats did the National Party got in the Lok Sabha election. Now students, many a times we see different news which we get it out in the television. Most of them we get some headlines in the newspapers. We get some of the headlines like you must be reading about different news in the newspapers, and through these lines, like you can see over here, that there are many headlines given like power shift in Tamil Nadu, formation of the new party in Maharashtra, looking for opportune time to give up political parties. So do this party function only at the state levels? ये जो regional parties की जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, like we get news, and some state leaders are influential at national level, while some has influence only at the state level. So why it is so? So why we get all this type of news over there? So with the help of such questions, we will try to get information about various regional parties in India. We will study some of the regional parties from different parts of India also. Okay. So in different parts of India, we will see. Then we find that there is speaking difference of language and having different tradition and culture. They belong to different part of India also. We see different region have their own languages. You can see. Okay. So you have already studied about different geographical region in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra there exists geographical and cultural diversity. Maharashtra is different from Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. If you see, it is totally different. Their culture, their way of speaking, everything is being different. So if we see in different states, their culture, their tradition, their way of speaking, all these things are very much different. So here it is that after having different language, different tradition, different culture and so other things, still we find that there is unity in diversity, and there is some parties, they belong to that particular area. So we are going to now see about it, that though मतलब इतने diversity होने के बाद भी we all are having parties which are at the national level, but besides the national level there are some parties which are influenced over particular area. Okay, and these parties are being known as the regional parties. We'll study more about the regional parties, students. Though belonging to different places, still we have our parties. So the feeling of affinity developed out our language and region gradually turns into identity, consciousness, and finally give rise to regionalism. Okay, we say my state is better, my state is bigger than anybody. So people start thinking primarily about the interest and development of their own region, and they start feeling proud of their language, their literature, their tradition, history of social reforms, educational and cultural movement. And this all these things give rise to the development of linguistic identity, which is based on language. So students, regional identity develops from the consciousness about the development of region and the feeling that people belonging to the region should have claim over resources and employment opportunities. When linguistic, regional, cultural and other identities are connected, regional consciousness emerge as a stronger feeling, and sometimes it gives rise to the independent political party or pressure groups or movements. And all such developments aim at the protection of the interest of the region. Now students, what happened कि यहाँ पे हम हमारी लैंग्वेज के बारे में, हमारी स्टेट के बारे में, हमारे कल्चर, हमारे ट्रेडिशन, हमारी जो सोशल रिफॉर्म्स की जो हिस्ट्री है, हमारे एजुकेशन, हमारे कल्चरल मूवमेंट्स के बारे में हम बहुत ही हम लोग उसके डेवलपमेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं. वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग प्राउड ऑफ द प्लेस दैट वी लिव, जो जगह पे हम रहते हैं. जैसे लाइक गिव एन एग्जाम्पल दैट वी आर लिविंग इन महाराष्ट्र स्टेट. सो मराठी लैंग्वेज, हमारा कल्चर जो है, हमारा जो ट्रेडिशन है जो मराठास का है, वी फील वेरी मच प्राउड. एंड वी आल्सो प्राउड ऑफ अवर महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड. वी आर वेरी मच प्राउड अबाउट मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी, स्पेशली Pune University and so on, because we live in our own region. So we get an interest of developing a development in the and more interested in our own region, and this give an identity of linguistic identity, और regional identity भी हमारे यहाँ पे develop होने लगती है. So ये linguistic, ये regional, ये cultural and all these things they get connected, and we become very particular about our regional consciousness, and this give rise to a political party, and these political parties they form movements, they form groups, and we want, like abhi now you can say Arakshan is going on. So what is that? That we are demanding that the Marathi people should also be considered they should be also given reserved seats in particular educational fields and in governmental fields. So इसके लिए we are having a movement. So we are being very much conscious about our regional identity, and thus political parties are being formed over here, and these parties are known as the regional parties. Okay students, now we'll see more about the regional parties. So students, we'll talk about Maharashtra. Here we have a regional party Shiv Sena. So regional parties are those groups in the region who have a proud feeling about the different identity of their region, and who compete to get political power with the objective of regional development. Like we are living in Mumbai, we are living in Thane. So the influence of regional parties is limited to a particular region. Like we have Thane, we have Mumbai, and through they play a significant role in the regional level. They influence national politics as well, and हमारी वजह से जो national politics है जो दिल्ली में है that also get influence. Regional party give preference to the resolutions of the regional problem. मतलब regional में हमारी region में क्या क्या problems हो रही है उसके बारे में we all try to find out the way. So for the or some solution. So for the development of the region, they demand more autonomy and authority. Though they cooperate with federal government, they try to protect their autonomy. Regional parties make several demands, such as regional problems should be solved at regional level, political power should be in the hands of the people from region, and residents of the region should get preference in administration and jobs. So here students, the first thing is कि यहाँ पे जो है हमारी different identity है हमारी region की. जैसे we talk about Shiv Sena, so it is there at Mumbai, it is there at Thane. ये हमारी जो regional parties जो है वो एक it is limited to a particular region only. ये जो है ये जाके केरला में नहीं है, ये शिव सेना जो है वो कर्नाटका में नहीं है. Why? Because it is there only in a particular region. वो influence सिर्फ एक particular region तक ही करते हैं, and they play a very important role. Like they influence the national politics also. अगर हम देखें, if we take our regional parties, they are influencing at the national level also. And यहाँ पे कुछ भी problem है, जैसे regional जो भी problem है, like for example कि आप एक society में रह रहे हैं, okay, और आपको ज़्यादा पता है कि आपकी सोसाइटी में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है। इनफैक्ट जो दूसरी सोसाइटी वाले हैं या उसका कोई मेंबर जो है वो दूसरे कहीं सोसाइटी में चला गया है, उनको उतनी मालूमात नहीं होगी। ही विल नॉट बी हैविंग सो मच ऑफ नॉलेज कि आपकी सोसाइटी में, अगर आप ये एक सोसाइटी में रह रहे हैं तो आपको ज़्यादा पता है कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है। तो रीजनल पार्टीज ऑल्सो, इफ़ यू सी, they know the problem that what that particular region is being problem that particular region is having, and they try to find out the solution in a political manner. So regional party give preference to the resolution of regional problems. जो भी regional problems होते हैं उनका वो solution find out करने के लिए they always ready, and also they demand from the government कि वो लोग ये चाहते हैं कि हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पावर मिले, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑटोनॉमी मिले, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे अथॉरिटीज़, मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ हमारे हाथ में हो तो हम उसका सल्यूशन जल्दी से जल्द कर सके। अदरवाइज़ व्हाट विल हैपन कि अगर महाराष्ट्र में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो गवर्नमेंट में से परमिशन लाना, फिर गवर्नमेंट में से परमिशन आएगा, फिर इम्प्लीमेंट होगा, तो इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. So it is that the regional party, the one who is winning to a particular, in a particular region, okay, whichever regional party is winning, so getting a majority, तो उनके पास इतना पावर्स होना चाहिए कि वो ऑन द स्पॉट वो प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन निकाल सके और वही के वही इन अ शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम वो फटाफट उसका प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन उसका हो जाए. एंड दे ऑल्सो कोऑपरेट विद द फेडरल गवर्नमेंट, जो फेडरल गवर्नमेंट है उसके साथ प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू प्रोटेक्ट दियर ऑटोनॉमी. रीजनल पार्टी जो है वो बहुत सारी डिमांड्स रखते हैं, जैसे हमारे रीजन में जो जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए एट द रीजनल लेवल ओनली, ओके, एंड द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ वो ऐसे चाहती है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पावर्स हो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हाथ में, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पावर हो पीपल के हाथ में, ताकि और उनको वो जो एरिया में जो रह रहे, जो पीपल हु आर रिसाइडिंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन, उनको ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिले इन द एजुकेशन एंड इन जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, ओके. सो ताकि वो लोग कहीं और दूसरी स्टेट में ना जाए अपना जॉब के लिए या कोई इकोनॉमिकल वजह से या ऐसा कुछ, उनको अपना खुद का रीजन छोड़ के दूसरे रीजन में ना जाना पड़े. सो द डिमांड फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट कि हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे ही स्टेट के अंदर हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिले, ताकि हमें हमारा जो होमलैंड है, मतलब हमारा जो रीजन है, जो हमारा गांव है, वो छोड़ के हमें, या कोई सिटी है वहाँ पे छोड़ के हमें कोई दूसरी जगह पे ना जाना ना पड़े. वही के वही हमें वी गेट अवर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड अवर जॉब फैसिलिटीज़. Okay students, so we just stop over here and still we will see about the other, we are deeply going to study about the different regional parties in the next part, and also we will see the changing nature of the regional parties which are there in India, that how the regional parties were being formed and what was the history about the regional parties earlier, all that, and how their natures are being changing from time to time. Now we see that nothing can be fixed. जैसे हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है वो डायनामिक है, तो वैसे हमारी जो रीजनल पार्टीज़ है वो भी है, उनके नेचर्स भी चेंज होते जाते हैं. तो ऑल दोज थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट स्टूडेंट्स, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डीपली स्टडी अबाउट रीजनल parties and different types of regional parties we are going to discuss in the next part. So with this students, I just stop over here. Thank you.